Om Swastiastu, namun Satkerti Loka Bali melalui pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali era baru. Good morning everyone, welcome to English class with me, Yunita Wulandari. And our today's lesson is about transition words or phrases. Transition words or phrases are used to connect one idea to the next. And the first transition words that we are going to study today is unless. Unless means the same with if not. For example, you will get sick if you don't stop eating fast food. We can replace the if not by using unless. So it will be, you will get sick unless you stop eating fast food. And remember, when you use unless, the next sentence is positive. Alright? The second transition words or phrases is on the other hand. Can you say it again? Okay, very good. So on the other hand is used to show different thing from the first thing that you have mentioned. For example, look at here, my friends like playing football. On the other hand, I like reading books. Playing football, reading books is different, right? Alright, the next one is even if. This phrase is used to show that something or a situation still remains the same no matter what happens. For example, I will go to the party even if you don't let me to. So here, the person will go to the party even though the mother doesn't let him to go to the party. So he will still go to the party no matter what happens. The next transition phrase is in contrast. It is used to show that one thing is different from the other thing. For example, his good achievements are in contrast with his bad attitude. So he has good achievements, but he has bad attitude. So that is the contrast situation. The next one is the use of however. However is used to show that to introduce a sentence that contradicts with the previous sentence. For example, look at the sentence here. I would love to go to the concert. However, I have to finish my homework tonight. So in one side, he wants to go to the concert, but the contradict situation is he has to finish his homework tonight. Alright, this is the last transition word that we are going to discuss today, that is nevertheless. Nevertheless is similar to however, but it is used in a more formal situation. For example, typhoons destroyed a large part of Thai coastline. Nevertheless, Thailand still remains a popular tourist destination. So it's almost the same with however, but it is used in formal situation like this, maybe like in the news or something. Alright, students, that's all our lesson for today. See you in the next episode. I hope you have a good time studying with me. Om Santi, Santi, Santi. Om.